Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today we're doing part 2 of our Rosalind giveaway series. Before the end of the new year, I had won a giveaway hosted by Rosalind, and they sent me an 8-piece gel nail kit. This is the brown and gray kit, and I'm going to leave the product link in the description box below along with the discount code. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. I'm using color 03 and I'm putting one coat of this because it really has great coverage. As you can see, it's not as transparent as others that I have used. But yes, I'm going to cure that onto each nail, and then I'm going to move on to this 02 color. So I'm going to use this as my prime base before applying the colors. Because black is such a dark color, I want to make sure that each of the colors that I'm demonstrating for you guys today is going to pop, really pop from the background color. So I'm going to grab my ring palette. This time I'm going to be using the paw print ring palette. It's so cute. But yeah, I'm just going to take some of this white, and I'm going to then take my detail brush, and we're going to go ahead and do some scrolling. And scrolling is fairly easy. You just kind of have to organically move your brush in a flowing motion. And I was thinking, when I looked at these colors in this kit, the first thing that came into mind is a floral pattern. Just the colors alone, I didn't necessarily originally think that I would use black as the background, but it did remind me of my grandmother's jacket from like the 80s. She had this velvet jacket that it was kind of a light jacket. She wore it around the house, and it had this floral print all over it. So that's what I'm going to do here, and I'm going to start it off with this 02 color, which is the white. This is going to be a fairly shorter video than it would have been. I'm going to do this pattern onto each nail, and I'm only going to show the thumbnail for this video. So what actually took me about 3 hours is going to be cut down to less than 20 minutes. This line work here is going to be very meticulous, but collectively when you see this, you guys, trust me, you're going to think this is super crazy. That probably, yes, took 3 hours to do. You can only imagine what was going through my head after doing each nail, as I was working on this really late. So I'm really glad I was able to get this out, and I'm really happy about the outcome of these nails. So continue watching, you guys, and hopefully I'll make it to the end. If you're watching this far, thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and click that like button. It really helps my channel out, and I greatly appreciate your support. So we are using all the colors today, and I'm using 2406 now. I'm going to be taking these colors and painting them like my nail is a coloring book, and I'm going to be picking pieces here and there and filling it in with color, and I'm going to do every other piece here and there just so that I'll have the even amount of spaces to use the other colors with. And because I think I'm going to be using 2 other colors of this as well, I'm just going to color every 3rd white space on here. If it's connected to the center swoosh of this floral design, I'm going to leave that blank because I'm going to color that with the brown to make it seem like it's part of the vine, or I really don't know, the stem, there we go. Oh Lord, yeah, so you'll see this come together, but let me know, you guys, did you like it in just the white? I thought that just the white was pretty in itself and I wanted to leave it alone, but I wanted to showcase all these colors. So we are coloring in this today. Perhaps maybe in another video I'll do more scrolls, as you know I like doing my scrolls. But yeah, quickly moving along, I'm taking 9056. This is that pretty coral iridescent color. And it's nice that these colors work well together. So when this is more like a fall kit. So I was a little shocked getting this. I thought maybe I would get more of a Christmassy one since the giveaway was held during Christmas. So upon opening this, I was like, what am I gonna make with this that's not autumn leaves? So luckily, I just, pictured, again, like I said, my grandmother's jacket with the floral pattern, and I said, that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I used that pretty pumpkin color, and now I'm on to this iridescent coral color, and it's just looking really good, you guys. Just to let you know, when I started these nails, I did buff the full cover tips. I didn't put a base coat on it, and then after applying the black background color, I also didn't apply a base coat to do the scrolls. So I guess when this cures and you wipe off the sticky layer, it's not really that slick. You can still draw, put line work on it, and it's not going to be slippery all over the place. So I think that's a good quality to have because I don't like thick nails. So if you want to consider getting Rosalind gel polishes, I think it would be a good buy. Again, this is $9.99 for the kit. It's very affordable, great for beginners, so you don't really need to get that base coat. I mean, again, for my full cover tips, I buff the nail, so that's why the polish does stick to on it. I wouldn't put it directly on the full color cover tip because some of these tips are so slick, you're going to have your gel polish peel. Right now I'm using color 1-5. This is the opal looking iridescent gel polish. That's going to be hard to see, but in a close-up later you'll be able to see the pretty iridescent sheen on there. So right now I'm going to be using that chocolate color, that beautiful chocolate color, 2661. Every time I look at this color, it just makes me want to melt a Hershey bar or have a s'more or something. But yeah, again, like I said, this comes on a little transparent, so you're going to want a primer to go under this. And ideally, rather than the white, if you have like a similar brownish color or a tan color, that bright white won't try to seep through this brown. So just be aware with that. But I really like this. It's going to give it a nice soft brown color for the stem, and I'm not doing the full stem in this color because I'm going to be taking this 1/6. It's the caramel, or it's caramel. No, it's not the caramel. It's the camel or tannish color that I'm going to be applying to the tip of the stem. So it's going to kind of fade into that brownish chocolatey color just to give it some character. Originally I thought maybe I'll do one stroke petals, which is like a combination of colors onto a brush to create a very cool and interesting look. But since I'm working micro and I wanted to do that pattern I had envisioned, I ended up just doing a solid color per petal. So last but not least, I want to do some accent dots. This I would have done in a white. I forgot to do the white in the base as my base color or primer color. So I feel like you can't really see this color right on top of the black, but it still looks pretty cute, and it just kind of adds a little bit more detail to this floral pattern. This is the last stage in this process that I'll repeat on the other nails, and then I will top coat in cuticle oil the rest of this set. But here is the final set, you guys. Look how super gorgeous these are, and that black background just makes everything pop. Very classic. Definitely reminds me of my grandmother's jacket. Brings back so many memories. Well, thank you so much for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And join me again. I'll have some shorts in worldly Josieisms. And I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.